If you are looking for a solution to convert OLM file to PDF on a Mac system, then you can go for the macOS OLM to PDF converter. It allows the users to convert the OLM file to PDF with attachments and by maintaining the data integrity on a Mac machine. It supports all versions of Mac operating system, macOS 10.8, 10.9, and above versions, and runs effortlessly. Follow the steps accordingly to convert the OLM file to PDF on Mac device. Download and install macOS OLM to PDF converter. Choose single file or multiple file options. Now, click on the Browse button to choose OLM file and open. After that, click on the Next button and it displays the OLM mailbox items in a tree structure. Now, double-click on the folder and select the files to view the email with their attachments. Check the tree structure folder and click on the Next button to follow the next step. In the next screen, choose the PDF email client from the drop-down as an output file. Check the Remove Duplicate Emails to eliminate the identical files. Click on Save in the Same Folder feature to save the OLM file in the same folder. Select the option to migrate or convert emails without attachments. Check the Mail Filter option to export or convert the particular date range file. Click on the Custom Name Folder option to save the OLM file with its custom name. After that, click on the Path to Save button and choose the saving path, then click OK button. Now, click on the Convert button and start the OLM to PDF process. After the conversion process, your resultant file is automatically saved at the user-defined path.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like the video, and please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on social media pages.